Hello friends, how are you? I Atul Chudari. Welcome you all. In today's new video, I have brought you another new module of AI training under my name. In the last video, I talked about the module from the company Cloud Anthropic, which was about cloud, where I provided information on how installation works and how to use it. In the previous video, I discussed ChatGPT, which was created by OpenAI. And today I am bringing you Gemini AI, which is from Google. But before we start this video, I have a small request for you as always. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like the video and share it with as many people as possible. This way, more people can benefit from the informative videos we create and the courses we are conducting, and you will also be the first to know what we are teaching and what is useful for you. One small piece of information: in the last video, I talked about cloud, where we were unable to understand why the attachment was not being uploaded to cloud. The reason is that we are using the free version and not the upgraded version. In the free version, you can only upload files in Excel format as a CSV file. So see, today I have taken one CSV file here. I will open it here and it will get attached here. And one more thing you must keep in mind, that whenever you attach a CSV file, the size is written here. The maximum is 5 megabyte and the minimum is 5 megabyte and the maximum should be 3 megabyte, which means the size should be in between this. Even then your file will be uploaded on the cloud. Otherwise it will not be uploaded. But now if you will work in CSE, then understand one thing. Like in the last video, I showed the data by splitting it. It was split on GPT. If you do that here, then the simple mode of a CSV file is that at the time of saving, it will keep only one file inside it. There will be only one file in the entire workbook. Rest of the files will be deleted. So when your file is downloaded and the data is not found in CS mode, then do not worry about where the data went. You will find only one data of only one sheet and rest of the sheets get deleted automatically. So keep in mind that if your file is in XML version, then only it will be able to work like that on different multiple sheets. Otherwise, you will get only one thing in the CSE version. So now let's move on to our Gemini video. If you have any comments regarding cloud or ChatGPT, please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely try to address them for you. Gemini is Google's module, which means just like you use ChatGPT, you will use cloud and you will also use Gemini. Each has its own unique scenarios. Gemini was launched by Google on December 6, 2023, and it is also an LMS model, which I mentioned in the last video as being a learning model. This is the same model, but it has multiple features, just like you do there.